You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to make these my cake buns. This recipe is one in a million, and people have been asking me how they can make it easily, because as if it's a great task making these buns. It tastes like cake and it's very yummy and delicious. But today I'm showing you the easiest way to make it. Let's start. First, my ingredients I'll be using. Number one thing you need is 500 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. You need your sugar, 6 tablespoons of sugar, baking powder, half tablespoon, 2 eggs. For milk, I'm using liquid milk today, 1.5 cup of liquid milk. If you're using powdered milk, measure half cup of powdered milk and 1.5 cup of water mixed together. This is my butter, 125 grams of butter. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. If you can use nutmeg and replace cinnamon. Salt, half teaspoon. For this butter, I am going to melt it. Yes, that's the easiest way you can make this recipe, by melting it. Either you double heat or you put in the microwave and melt it. For my vanilla flavor, just a drop. I'm cool, I'm okay with it. So straight to the microwave. I melted the butter, and here is my butter, well melted. So right now I'll pour it out into my mixing bowl and use my turning wooden spoon or turning stick to turn it a little, and I will add in my sugar. I will cream just in a minute and I will continue. Just take your time to cream this. 1 minute, 2 minutes is okay. You don't need to do much work because you've melted your butter already. Yes. So you will go in with your 2 eggs right now. After creaming, you don't need to overwork yourself here. Pour in the 2 eggs and you continue the creaming. Mix everything very well and you set aside. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, subscription is free. Add all the dry ingredients together. I poured the baking powder, the salt, the cinnamon all together, and I stirred. Mix properly and you set aside. So subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you all for coming back again. Like I said earlier, a drop is okay for this vanilla flavor because I'm using industrial flavor. If you're using normal regular flavor, feel free to add up to 1 teaspoon. A little of my dry ingredients, a little of the wet ingredients. Yes, that's the way we'll run it. We'll be adding a little of the flour, dry ingredients, and a little of the milk we'll have. So just the way we'll mix our cake. Like I said, I do call this cake buns. It's always beautiful, sweet, and yummy. You need to try this if you have not tried it. I just tried my best to make this recipe as easy and simple as ever in this video. So feel free to share this video to your family to enjoy, to your friends, family. Share to anyone you love so much, because you can easily make this in 10 minutes. You're done. So I'll keep mixing till I'm done. So if you have not liked my video at this point, what are you waiting for? Feel free to click on the like button and feel free to comment, ask questions if anything is not really clear. So I will take my time to mix this properly. This is normal measurement because I'm not removing, I'm not adding anything. I'm pouring all the milk right inside so that our batter will be soft. I'll be using pick and drop method, the way I do my puff puff, fry my puff puff. That's the way we'll be frying this buns. Look at that, looking so beautiful. So I'll go in with all the remaining milk, and that is all. Mix properly and you get ready to fry. Yeah, heat up your oil very very well and make sure the oil is on a medium heat so that the buns will not burn and the inside will not cook. All you need to do is make sure it's on a medium heat. That is all. Take your time and you start frying. Look at that batter. If your own is not this way, you know it's not ready. So take your time. Mix properly before you start frying. Look at that beauty. This is beautiful. It's time to fry. So I'll just add a little to check if the oil is ready. I'll check it if the buns pops up, you know the oil you can see is moving. That simply means this oil is ready. So I'll keep adding till I'm okay. Please don't overcrowd your pan because this buns needs to also rise a little. So if you overcrowd it, you will struggle when you're frying. So for now, as you're putting, be mindful. Make sure there is more space for others to rise. So you have to fry till you have this golden brown. Yes, people call these buns also golden buns. So depending on what I call my own cake buns, it tastes like cake. So you can call it golden buns, cake buns, sweet buns, anything. It is yum. The buns is given. It's really yummy and delicious. So if you have not tried it, feel free to try this. You will enjoy it. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like my video, please give me thumbs up, encourage your girl, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So I'll keep frying the last batch till I'm done. Subscription is free, my dear, just for you to get a lot of my new. Just see the inside. Oh my god, beautiful. This is beautiful. Please like my video, subscribe, share to your friends and family. I love you all. Enjoy, and I'll be happy to see your work. Follow me on Instagram and also on Telegram at Progressive Recipe.